Court showdown begins. Harry facing money nightmare as he sues over police bodyguard refusal. The Duke of Sussex is suing the Home Office after being denied Met Police armed bodyguards, which he claims has made it unsafe for him to travel to the UK from his California home. Prince Harry's claims that he should have received Met Police armed bodyguards will be heard in court today as he sues the Home Office. The row over UK security and police protection will be held at the Royal Courts of Justice in London before Mr Justice Swift, and it is unlikely that the Duke of Sussex will attend in person. Harry and Meghan have started a new life in the United States, having left the UK more than 2 years ago. The Duke's argument is that he now feels unsafe when travelling back to the UK and wants to fund his own Met Police armed bodyguards, but this has been refused by the Home Office. He has his private protection team in the US but says that they don't have the jurisdiction in the UK to access intelligence information that he feels is necessary for the protection of his family. And the hearing today will decide whether the case can proceed and if there is a sufficient case in order to go to trial. In a statement earlier this year, a legal representative for the Duke said, "Prince Harry inherited a security risk at birth, for life. He remains sixth in line to the throne, served 2 tours of combat duty in Afghanistan, and in recent years his family has been subjected to well-documented neo-Nazi and extremist threats. While his role within the institution has changed, his profile as a member of the royal family has not. Nor has the threat to him and his family." He added, "The Duke and Duchess of Sussex personally fund a private security team for their family, yet that security cannot replicate the necessary police protection needed whilst in the UK. In the absence of such protection, Prince Harry and his family are unable to return to his home." Harry and Meghan Markle left the UK in 2019, quitting the country as part of Megxit. The Sussexes did return to the UK for the Queen's Platinum Jubilee celebrations last month. It was the first time that they came together since they moved abroad. Last month, a newspaper article about Prince Harry's legal battle with the British government over his security arrangements implied that he had lied and tried to manipulate public opinion, lawyers for Queen Elizabeth's grandson said on Thursday. Harry is suing Associated Newspapers, publisher of the Mail on Sunday, for libel over an article in February which alleged he had tried to keep secret details of his legal fight to reinstate his police protection, and his aides had then tried to put a positive spin on it. Harry's lawyer Justin Rushbrook said the unremittingly negative article implied the prince had lied in a statement where he said he had always been willing to pay for police protection when in Britain, and tried to manipulate the public by authorizing his spin doctors to put out false statements. A reader would believe Harry had tried to keep the legal fight with the government secret and that he expected the public to pay for his protection, Rushbrook said. The paper's lawyer Andrew Caldecott said it would be a quantum leap to draw such conclusions, and the article had unequivocally implied Harry's public relations team were involved in putting out material which confused the public and not the prince himself. He argued the article merely reflected that Harry had initially sought a far-reaching confidentiality order over his fight with the government, which was a position he had later agreed to relax. The judge, Matthew Nicklin, said he would give his judgment on the issue at a later date. Last year Meghan won a High Court claim against the Mail on Sunday after it printed extracts of a handwritten letter she wrote to her estranged father in 2018.